Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. InsyaAllah, today we would like to present about operation management in Perodua. Introduction of Perodua. Perusahaan automobil kedua sendirian Berhad, Perodua, is a household name in Malaysia. Perodua was founded in 1993 and on August 1, 1994, Tun Dr. Mahathir Mohamad, Malaysia Prime Minister at the time, conducted the opening ceremony of the country's first Perodua factory. It is known for producing classic vehicles such as the Kancil and Myvi. We will move into the detail about their strategies and operation management in the next presentation. First of all, their layout strategies. There are three layout strategies, which is price strategies, placement strategy, and promotion strategy. First, price strategy. Pricing method that Perodua use is value-based. Perodua has established a pricing that is based on purchaser perception of value rather than their cost. Example like Myvi. It is affordable to Malaysian citizens. Second, placement strategy. Perodua is using the push-pull demand technique in which vehicles are demand and then import. Third, promotion strategy. Perodua has promoted their car through a variety of media such as newspaper, television, and internet banner advertisement. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Perodua has its corporate headquarters in Sungai Choh, Rawang. In 2016, Perodua also has new plant in Sendayan Tech Valley, which is close to Seremban. Perodua has the primary market in Malaysia, Singapore, and Mauritius. Along with selling goods in UK and Singapore, Perodua also export goods to Republic of Ireland, Brunei, Cyprus, Sri Lanka, Malta, Nigeria, Egypt, Lebanon, and others. In Malaysia, the corporation has 202 service locations and 102 sales branches. The largest Perodua dealer in Malaysia is DMM Sales Sdn Bhd, which is founded under Daihatsu Sdn Bhd. It has 17 sales shops and 14 after-sales outlets. One of Perodua's distributors in the United Kingdom, which is GHK Motors, is now expanding its network of marketing middlemen to Brunei.
Perodua has a lot of after-sales services that are offered towards the customer. One of the services is body repair and paint. This service is included in their Perodua Total Protect Motor Insurance and Auto Assist, which is their services on full protection for all Perodua cars and car insurance. In this package, they included on step what to do in case of an accident happening and the process of claiming the services. The Perodua Body Repair and Paint has over 30 facilities throughout Malaysia. By using this service, customers will be guaranteed replacements that are genuine parts from Perodua itself. The warranty for parts and workmanship will last up to 6 months and the manufacturer warranties are protected. Furthermore, there will be auto-assist coverage services throughout the process. If the customer experiences any breakdowns or is involved in an accident, auto-assist coverage will take over the process of claiming for 24 hours a day throughout 365 days a year until the process has been successful.
Now, I will explain about the Perodua design of goods and services. Perodua provides a wide range of service to its customers, such as e-appointments, service maintenance, and value-added services. E-appointment is a service that allows customers to book a car servicing appointments through the Perodua app or website. This can save customer time and allows them to skip the queue from the other. Next is the service maintenance. With well-trained staff at service center can extend more years to the vehicle. This type of service can prevent costly and time-consuming repair in the future. Lastly is value-added service. In this service, there are various types of service that offer to the customer, such as tire alignment and balancing, air conditioning, anti-rust service, and timing belt service. This type of service might even make the customer ride more joyful. That's all from me. Thank you.
Alright, next, supply chain management. There are supply chain management could be suggest to Perodua, which is they will introduce stringent quality reporting and visibility for automobile suppliers and manufacturers. Perodua can use various processes to deal with the problem, which is agree with suppliers and manufacturers that crucial parts and manufacturing processes will be subjected to internal quality management checks and audits. To ensure adherence to quality standards, arrange for independent external audits of suppliers and manufacturers to identify the source of possibility problems but use strict batch control and tracking. Next, Perodua will introducing effective risk management for the most likely and impossible potential issues. There are several principles supply chain management can follow to mitigate negative consequences. First, conduct a thorough risk assessment and prioritization process to identify all potential concerns that may arise in the automotive supply chain. Prioritize these risks based on their potential impact, likelihood, and simplicity with which they can be managed or resolved.
Now I will continue the presentation of supply and change management. My first point is sales and operation planning. Sales and operation planning is a fundamental to integrated company planning. Perodua should use as SNOP. Mid to long term SOP drives product mix and inventory deployments, manufacturing plans, capacity requirement, distribution, transportation strategies, and procurement. For near-term planning, measuring actual performance versus the SOP plans implies execution ranking. My second point is postponement. Postponement most completed good inventories from the end of a network to upstream raw materials and component stock. A successful build-to-demand approach requires the correct components and supplies at the assembly facility or dealership. Coordination of manufacturing, distribution, logistics is required for a successful build-to-demand approach when components and materials are accessible in many locations at varied costs. It also requires a system to optimize client order landing costs. That's all from me.
Finally, after truly reviewing the operational function of perusahaan automobil kedua sendirian berhad Perodua, Perodua has a very solid and methodical operating strategy in place to operate their firm. They also concentrated on creating affordable and reasonable automobiles in order to attract a large number of customers with middle class incomes. Perodua is Malaysia's largest vehicle manufacturer. they undoubtedly have strong tactics such as layout strategies, location strategies, product and service design, supply management, and many more. Despite the fact that they already have a precise plan, we believe there is potential for improvement. Perodua, in our opinion, may expand further by exporting to the entire world. To export our item to a certain nation, we must create a new automobile that is acceptable to entire countries. The reason we cannot export our automobiles to some nation is because we don't follow the standard of the countries. So, by building a new automobile that meets their requirement, we may expand our business to a certain level.